Assalamualaikum and hi. For today, I'm going to present our project proposal, which is a cargo cycle. For our discuss, there are the project suggestion that we had a three of project suggestion, but for our discussion, the only one there is a cargo cycle. Before I forget, let I introduce you to our group member. The first, Muhammad Asraf bin Abdullah. Second, Muhammad Syaifullah. And the third one is me, Muhammad Nasrullah. We had only three our group members. Besides a cargo cycle, it is called by many names, such as cargo bike, boat bike, or cycle truck. A human-powered vehicle designed and constructed especially for transporting load. Vehicle design including a cargo area consisting of an open and enclosed box and a flat platform or a wire basket, usually mounted over one or both vehicles. Loop behind a front wheel, between parallel wheel, and at either the front rear of the vehicle. The frame and the drivetrain must be constructed to handle a load larger than those on a ordinary bike. Meanwhile, there are a few problems and issues with on a cargo bike. For the first problem is his mass. He can't carry more load, but industrial, but he must heavy duty to do and to carry more load. For the second one, it must follow the safety precaution and safety spec for industry. And the third one is he had a problem between the pedal and the braking system. And the last one, on the previous benchmark, is more expensive. There are a few impacts of the cargo cycle. For the first one, if we carry more weight or more load on the cargo cycle, it will damage the cargo itself, and the chain and the tire will be broken because the heavy load. And for the second one is a safety precaution. If we don't take a safety precaution and involve the hazard for any incident, the incident will be happen. For the third one, there will be a lot of cost if any body part and will be damaged, and the PM and CM will be increased by time. And for the solution of this problem, we have to improve our cargo cycle that have on the previous cargo cycle. So we have to design a bigger and stronger material of the cargo cycle. For the safety precaution, for the second one, we had to switch a high quality and long lasting material that switch to the bread disc. In the safety portion, we had to install a red light or the braking light, emergency light, and labeling system. And for the last one, we had to take all aspects such as the roller, the change, and the tire, and the sport ring. We have to take a look the all aspect and then to make it heavy duty and can work on industry. For our target customer is for industry, we target on a technician because if technician want to bring and transport place and board stuff or bring stuff, it can be more faster. Same go to the filter, to the gardener, you can bring the tools in it. And for the last one, to our fishermen and be more productive, bring the fish to transport to place another place. For our product benchmark is a cargo crane that only can carry 1,500 liters. And for the second one is looping box, can carry up to 1,000 liters. And for the third one is key rafter, can carry up to 8 liters. And for our standard reference is for Syrian, Dodge, and JPJ.
Assalamualaikum. We are now go to the customer requirement for this project. After the survey, the interview, and the research we do, we found that the customer requirement for this cargo cycle is need to be heavy duty to carry more load, need to be lightweight for easy operation, easy to handle or use during operation, durability. The price is cheaper from the others brand at the market right now. Can be separate between the cargo and cycles for more utility. Long lasting, and lastly is reliability. Okay, we go to the engineering characteristic. For this project, the engineering characteristic need to have is heavy duty materials, the sprocket system, the sizing of the cargo cycle, the weight of the cargo cycle, the connection system, the handling system, the braking system, and lastly, the signal system. Okay, now we go to the house of quality for this project. If we can see At the left, we can find the customer requirement. It is heavy duty, lightweight, easy to handle or use, durability, cheap, can be separate, long lasting, and reliability. And then we can see the customer priority for each customer requirement. At the right side, we can find the customer assessment from the customer requirement. From this customer assessment, we found that the most important that the customer requirement need is the reliability of this cargo cycle. It's about 23% of the customer assessment. And then the price of the cargo cycle is about 60% of the customer assessment. And the third is easy to handle or use during operation. It's 50% at the total of customer assessment. Okay, at the top we can find the technical requirement for this project. We can find the customer requirement for this project is heavy duty material, the sprocket system, the size, the weight, connection joint, handling system, the braking system, and the signal system. At the bottom of the house of quality, we can find the importance rating for this project. From this, we found that the most important technical requirement for this project is the heavy duty material. It's about 23% of the importance rating. Second is the connection joint between the cargo and the cycle. The third is the braking system for this cargo cycle. For the correlation of the technical requirement, we can find the strong positive correlation is between heavy duty materials and the weight of the cargo cycle. Next is the size and the weight of the cargo cycle. This is a strong positive correlation. The positive correlation is the connection between the heavy duty material and the size. Next, the heavy duty materials and the connection joints. The correction of the connection joint and handling system and the connection joint with the braking system. This is a positive correlation. At the right of the house of quality, we also can find the competitive evaluation from our product and the product that is in the market right now. Okay, now we go to the function diagram for this project. Firstly is the cargo. The cargo is need to be heavy duty materials and can be carried out up to 100 kg of weight. Next is a handle. The handle need to be turned up to 60 degree for the cornering, and the function is to control the cargo cycle during move. Next, wheels or tire. 4 wheel or tire for the cargo and 1 wheel or tire for the cycle. The function is to move the cycle. Next is a cycle body. This cycle body need to be durability materials, and this is a main part of cycle. Then a sprocket system. We use the chain type sprocket system. The sprocket system is to produce power to move the cycles. Then the braking system. We use the disc type braking system, and the function is to stop the cycles. The lastly is the signal system. We use the lamp and backlight. It's for safety purpose for this cargo cycle. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.